Hey up guys, if you download my PDFs regularly from my YouTube lessons, then you might have been thinking to yourself, how cool would it be to have all Ricky's lesson PDFs in one spot? I've written a book containing 80 of those lessons. Now, I want to show you why this book is a little bit different. This is 80 of the lessons that I've got on my YouTube channel, and these are what I think are the most useful ones that I've done so far. Let me just show you. There's two versions. We've got the paperback version, which is a bit cheaper. It's exactly the same. The only thing is you can't do the old foldy thing. There is the spiral bound. This was a request from the folks in my Facebook group, because what they want to be able to do is to be able to just put that one sheet there nice and easily on a music stand, and then that's just really easy for you to get to. So the spiral bound, you get a super friendly user experience, if you will, if you can do that with a book. What I've done with the book is there is an index of all the lessons at the beginning, but here's where it gets interesting. If you look at each of the pages in the book, what you'll do is you'll see there is a link at the bottom for each lesson that is associated with this. So if you've looked at some of my lessons before and you've downloaded the PDF, then what you'll have got is a scruffy handwritten one that I've scanned and uploaded. And what I've done is I've turned those handwritten PDFs into these beautiful crisp graphic design versions of them with that link at the bottom. So what you can do is you get to this page, you go to the link at the bottom, there's the accompanying video. It's almost like a way of giving you a course and the course materials, but the book comes first, and there are 80 lessons. Now, some of the lessons on the YouTube channel need updating because, frankly, my editing skills at the beginning of my YouTube journey weren't brilliant, and they will be getting updated. But you can keep up to date with all those updates if you're in my Facebook group. What's also useful in the book, I thought, okay, I'll include those lessons, but I'll also include some other stuff. So we've got musical notes on the fretboard, and we've got all the scale formulas that you'll need to learn if you want to learn all your scales. And also what I've done is I've done this thing called chords in the most useful key. So if you look at this top one, it says C major. I've left out the diminished. So I've got these chords here, but what we also have as well, oh, this is the old version. What I've done in the other version is I've included the box one minor pentatonic where you know where to solo as well. And that's in the update. And if that isn't cool enough, then what I've done is I've included, because you know when you're learning guitar, you're always looking around for scraps of paper to write tabs down and all sorts of stuff. So what I've done is there's some blank fretboard boxes there so that you can figure out scales and take those scale formulas and put them on there, draw chords on. We've also got smaller box patterns there, and if you use tab, we've got some tab so you can photocopy that. It's good for putting your notes in, and also some chord boxes as well, and a variety of things that you can use there to help you to write it out, because as well as how we learn visually, auditory and kinesthetically, we also learn by writing things out as well. Also, what I'm doing with the book is, if you join my Facebook group, I'll select lessons from here and I will go over them. And I generally ask in the Facebook group, what do you want to go through? Let's have a look and see what people are struggling with and which of these lessons do we need to go over. I do a live session. What are the challenges that you're facing, and see if we can tackle them. See if they are in the book and see if it's something that we can leapfrog off and better your guitar playing, because that's what it's all about at the end of the day. So you're going to have lots of stuff to go at here, 80 lessons, but I think actually for 80 lessons with videos and all the handouts, I think you'll find that's absolutely excellent value for money, if I say so myself. If you look in the description below this video, you'll find all the links to be able to purchase these books. Thanks again for supporting my work on the channel, and I super appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Take care, bye.